I'm going to be taking 2 days to learn the basics of TIG welding. So I'm going to be filming video with my friend Sean, Mickey, and his son Micah. And hopefully we're going to have some cool stuff for you guys to check out. I really don't know what the class entails right now. We're just gonna go for it. Going too close to the salt. This is Sean trying his hand at TIG welding. I have no idea if the video's capturing anything because I can't see the screen. Oh, I think I got it there. Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think you just can't see the screen, or you hit one of the buttons. Three, two, one, go. Pop. Still volcanoing, man. I can't get the volcano out. Go. When are we ready? Grinding. Sean's gonna have to grind.
Damn it.
Damn, 2 in a row. Alright, man, keep trying.
But the problem is I didn't stick it out for him.
Yeah, you got it too close to the cup.
Right.
Yep. Too quick. Wait for the puddle and then pull off. And remember, pull the pedal, not the gun, or not the gun. There you go. Think you got a tack? That was your first one, right?
And the second one didn't. Neither of them tacked.
All right, do it again. Do it in the middle or something. You got to get the puddle going and then just lift the throttle, not the gun. That looked like it was. How are we doing, bud?
No, dude.
No?
I don't know if it's too far away or what.
I think you got a tack. What are you talking about? You got a tack. I mean, it's not a great one. Oh, he only got one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So keep it close without touching. Wait for the puddle to roll, and then lift off the throttle, not off the gun.
I feel like it's not close enough or something.
Possibly. It should fit.
I'm straight fucking this thing up.
If you want, take your hands and put them closer together, like bend it a little. Is it bending?
A little bit.
All right. How'd that go?
That time I got it.
Good job. That looked good. That looked real good, man. You getting it? Alright, now flip that bitch and do the other side. Dude, those are great tacks, man.
Yeah, once I figured out how I'm supposed to do it.
Good job. Skinny T.
I'm gonna sue homeboy for copyright.
Alright, now you want to tack the two boxes together? You know you did.
I don't know that I got a tap over there.
Do it again.
I got it.
Alright, now you gotta mate these together. With cell phones, I believe it's called pairing. Yeah, now you got a hot potato. John's tacking together your cube.
Motherfucker went in hard.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. Alright, well, I mean, fuck it, we'll fill it. So here, there's more sides. There's this side right here that's not filled. Yeah, there you go. Nope.
I can't fucking see what I'm doing, man.
Hit the bottom one. Let me give it a try.
Yes.
Yep, attacked it. Dude, I can't help that I'm like badass and awesome. I'm humble as shit. Ready? By the way, I am filming. There you go.
Fuck me, man.
That tacking sounds great. A little tap, tap, tap. Dude, you laid down some dimes right there, man. Look at that shit. I'm proud of you, man. And I think that is some oil in that volcano there.
Yeah, it is.
I wonder where the fuck the oil's coming from. Too far.
I got offline there.
Got a little hole. So Sean's off grinding his rod. I just did this weld, which is probably my best one so far. We managed to do kind of a half and a whole. So I'm back from my last day of TIG welding class, and we got to make a cube today, which was kind of cool. I didn't take mine home. Ours actually didn't leak, so I think we might have succeeded in that challenge. The other guys also did really well. There was one guy that did really, really well. His cube was solid, and I think he was done like half an hour before us. We actually did a cube and a half, so I think we did real well. Anyhow, I'm gonna go to bed now, guys. It's super late. We stayed out drinking. We went to Brick House. It was really good. And now I really need to go to bed. I've got a bunch of stuff I gotta do in the morning. Bye, guys.